How's it going, guys? In this video I'm just gonna give you a walkthrough on the new iPhone 12 Pro. So my wife was kind enough to buy me this yesterday, and yeah, she sat down and said, you know, I've got a gift for you. She gave me this, so here we go. So I'm gonna unbox this and let's have a look at what it looks like. So I'm gonna open it up. Okay, there we go. Like that there. Check it out. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. The box is nice box, very nice box. Okay, so there's nothing underneath there. Okay, and then, oh, this is nice. Look how thick that is, man. Check it out. Look at that. So there's 3 cameras there. 1, 2, 3, and then light there. A bigger Apple logo as well, so that's pretty cool. And if I take the screen off, let's take the screen off, shall we? Beautiful. So it's got a nice finish to it. Okay, it's so clean. And it comes with the cable, the USB in the 5-band cable. So I'm gonna, charge it up. And I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing else that comes with it, so it's pretty lightweight there. But in terms of weight, it's pretty good. I'd say it's probably about 500 grams or something, maybe 300 grams. It's got a nice metallic look and feel to it. It looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't know whether you can see that. Alright, so that's unboxing it. So I'm really excited with it. So I'm going to try turning it on. So I think it probably push the button there. There we go, it's booting up, as you can see there. Okay. So yeah, this is the iPhone 12 Pro, 256 gigs in storage, and I've been meaning to get this, so it's got a nice hello screen there. Alright, so it's probably at the part where I'm just setting it up. This is very nice phone. So that's it. That is the iPhone 12. Okay, it's a very sleek design. So I took an upgrade from the iPhone 7 to the iPhone 12, and there's a huge difference. So there's no button on the bottom. You just swipe, I guess. So I'm just setting it up right now. Australia. Obviously, I'll need to connect to the Wi-Fi, but once you set it up, pretty much good to go. So the iPhone 12 Pro is it's retailed for about 1,800. It's a really nice phone, very lightweight, looks very clean, obviously because it's a brand new phone. And if you really want to upgrade, I would recommend for you to do so because it's got the latest features, the latest tools and everything. And yeah, you can pretty much just use it anyway. It's another phone that anyone can use. So anyway, highly recommend it. Hope you learned something from this unboxing video. But yeah, iPhone 12 Pro. There you go. Awesome phone.